Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to buy Vanguard mutual funds. If you're looking to build your portfolio with low-cost, reliable options, Vanguard is a fantastic choice. They offer a wide range of mutual funds that are perfect for beginners and seasoned pros alike. But before we jump in, remember that investing always involves risks, so do your homework and consider consulting a financial advisor. First things first, you need to open a Vanguard account. Head over to the Vanguard website. It's straightforward and secure. You'll need to provide some basic info like your name, address, and social security number. If you're new to investing, Vanguard makes it easy with their user-friendly interface. Once your account is set up and verified, which usually takes a day or two, you're ready to fund it. You can link your bank account or transfer money from another brokerage. Start with what you're comfortable with, even if it's just a few $100s. Next, it's time to research funds. Vanguard has options for every goal, like growth funds, index funds, or target date funds. Use their tools to check performance, fees, and suitability for your risk tolerance. For example, if you're saving for retirement, a target date fund might be ideal. Once you've picked a fund, decide how much to invest. Remember, mutual funds often have minimum investments, but Vanguard keeps these low to encourage new investors. Now, for the exciting part, placing your order. Log into your account, navigate to the Buy section, select the fund, enter the amount, and confirm. It's that simple. After your purchase, keep an eye on your investments through Vanguard's dashboard. Set up automatic contributions if you can, to build your portfolio over time. In summary, buying Vanguard mutual funds is a smart move for long-term growth. Always diversify, monitor your investments, and stay informed about market changes. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more investing tips. What's your next investment goal? Drop it in the comments below.